Okay, I got an email from one of my chat room members today asking about how my monitors are set up. They're wanting to do something similar on their end. Well, I have 6 monitors. I'm only showing you one here. This monitor and 3 others are just full of charts. This monitor is different than the other ones with charts. So the other ones are just full of 5-minute charts. I've got 9 on each one of the other 3 monitors. And then on my final 2 monitors, I've got my trading platform on one, takes up the whole monitor. And then on the other one, I've got, I run our chat room out of it and other chat rooms that I watch and my trade ideas. I got Twitter on there and my trade ideas scanners running on that last one. So, but this one is really important. And I think anyone who trades should devote at least one monitor like I have this one set up here. Okay. And so just to show you what I've done here, I've kind of cut the very bottom of the screen off, but you can see all the charts. You just can't see the bottom of the volume bars on the last couple charts. But what I've done here is, you'll see, actually I'm showing you Best Buy, BBY. This chart here, 5-minute candles. This one, 2-minute, 15-minute, 60-minute, and daily candles, okay? And then this one up here is the SPY on 5-minute candles. All right, so let me turn off the drawing tool. And if I change the symbol, we'll just go to US Steel, which is the letter X, you'll notice all these charts are linked together with the exception of the SPY. SPY, I did not link to that. So when I change the symbol, the SPY stays the same. So I always have one eye when I'm looking at this monitor. I always have one eye on what the market's doing, the overall market on a 5-minute basis. But these other 5 charts all change. They're all linked together, right? So just pick a random symbol, CSIQ. And immediately you can see what it looks like on a 5-minute basis, 2-minute, 15, 60, daily, and so on. And so you get an immediate picture of all these different time frames just by glancing at the monitor. You don't have to switch charts, right? So it's pretty handy to have it set up like that. So it doesn't matter what symbol I put in, they all populate in their respective time frames. Very handy way to set it up. And again, then there's no question, right? You're looking at the 5-minute chart here and you think, well, what's the daily chart look like? So you're not just looking at interest. You're glancing at the 5-minute. All you do is glance up here and see what it looks like on the daily at the same time. 60s, 15s, and 2s. So I highly recommend doing this. Those are my favorite time frames to watch as well. Certainly if I'm trying to play a reversal play and I want to switch to 1-minute candles, I'll just use this big chart and switch to ones immediately. 2s, 5s, whatever I want. But these other charts are always fixed. The 2-minute, 15, 60, and daily always fixed. The SPY always stays the SPY on a 5-minute basis. And then this is the one I kind of click through time frames if I have to or I want to, but I really don't need to because I've got these other time frames right in front of me. All right, hopefully that helps.